Best sources to hit 150 grams of protein per day. That is my total body weight. I am 130-ish pounds, but have a cortisol face and belly under muscle. Don't exercise much. Want to make a change. Tired of feeling sluggish every day and hating how I look. Well, I guess for starters, getting 150 grams of protein, that's actually a lot of protein. That's over a gram a pound, gram per pound of body weight. So that's definitely way above what you would need to be getting the appropriate amount of protein per day. But with that said, if you want to get 150 grams, that's totally okay. Just making sure that you're getting proper nutrients in the other foods as well, such as your carbohydrate and fat sources. So getting healthy fats, something first thing I can think of is vegetable oils or nuts or oh yeah, like peanut butter. Peanut butter's something. I just had a peanut butter sandwich. That's why I'm thinking of that. But any of the nut butters would do. And then healthy carb sources, so veggies, fruits, whole grains largely, and that's going to be a good starting point in addition to your 150 grams of protein per day, which if you wanted to hit 150 grams of protein per day, if you are somebody who eats meat, chicken, and these should be the lean sources, so there is a little different. You can get chicken thighs have a little more fat than normal chicken breasts. Chicken breast is a little bit leaner source. Pork chops are pretty lean. Ooh, I'm drawing a blank right now. I think roast. Actually, roasts are pretty. The large pot roasts you can get at the store, some of those are actually pretty lean. You can get some ground beef that's actually really lean. Um, you can get into steaks as well. That's a red meat that might have a little bit more fat, so you might have to be careful and not overdoing it and eating too much of that. Um, if you are trying to maintain your body weight, which I'm guessing that's kind of what you're trying to do. Um, let's see, we covered that. And then that's pretty much a lot of the. And then beans are a great source of vegetable protein, protein powders, both whey, there's pea protein. There's what other sources of protein powder? Pea protein, whey protein. I'm blanking right now on other sources of protein, but there's lots of different protein powders out there. Whey's the cheapest. You can definitely get a good amount of protein from that. Dairy sources such as milk. Milk is actually a great source of protein. Um, Greek yogurt is a great source of protein. Cottage cheese is a great source of protein. Um, Mozzarella is a form of cheese that's actually pretty lean on the overall fat content of it. So you can eat that and feel pretty okay about not getting too much fat in your diet. And let's see, we covered that. Veggie sources. Um, Nuts are an okay source of protein. They're not like the best. I talked about nut sources. Those are really good, mainly just for like fat sources, but they do carry a little bit of protein. Um, and that's pretty much most of the sources. So good luck in that. And just remember, you don't need to get that much protein, especially if you're only 130 pounds. I'd recommend trying to find an exercise program that works for you and maybe starting like 2 to 3 days a week, maybe even 1 to 2 days a week as a starting point.